Welcome. In this video, we'll take you through 4 trailers, each highlighting a crucial aspect of fiber patch cord testing. Firstly, the fiber polishment is to make sure the physical contact is correct for different end face of fiber cords. Coming to the fiber insertion and return loss test, which is a direct attenuation measurement. The 3D interferometer is used to measure the radius of curvature and apex offset. The 400x microscope ensures connector and face quality. CRXCONEC has complete fiber patch cord production line meeting international standard. Contact us now.